Installation instructions for EQ Decor fiberglass wallpaper. You will receive two packages. The first one contains wallpaper rolls, installation diagram, and installation manual. The second one contains the adhesive and the two finishing components. Please note, the adhesive is always included in the delivery. Other products that may be required for the preparation of the substrate must be ordered separately. Here are all the needed tools for the installation: paintbrush or standard paint roller, long-handled paintbrush, soft roller, small paintbrush, cutter, scissors, pencil, plumb line, ruler, latex gloves, empty 10-liter bin, microfiber cloth, spatula. Transfer MapeWrap EQ adhesive from the original buckets to the larger bin and check its consistency. It is ready to use. Check the condition of the substrate. The surface must be smooth, flat, and with a light gray color. If necessary, paint it with water-based enamel. View the installation diagram and compare it with the received rolls by measuring them to assess the exceedance. Attention! If you find any discrepancies, do not proceed with the installation and immediately contact our customer service. If rolls, color, dimension, and graphic design match, you can proceed. On the first and last rolls, exceedances are marked, and their size depends on the ratio between the dimension of the wall and the roll's number. These exceedances are indicated by a red line and let you verify that the dimensions of the wall are correct. Check the dimensions of the wall and take some references that will be helpful during the installation. Eventually check the presence of any out-of-square dimension. Apply MapeWrap EQ adhesive, one-component water-based adhesive, with a spatula or roller where you will lay the starting roll. Apply the starting roll perpendicular to the ground, leaving about 5 centimeters on both the ceiling and floor sides. If you decide to start with roll number 1, consider that the side exceedance indicated by the red line will have to be cut. Flatten the roll against the wall using a spatula to avoid the formation of air bubbles. Spread the spilled adhesive evenly over the entire front surface of the roll. Remove any lumps before continuing. Cut the exceedance at the top and bottom with the spatula. Proceed in the same way with the next roll. Take care to draw the rolls near without overlapping them and carefully align the graphic design. Repeat the operation for all other rolls until the wall is complete. It is important to spread the adhesive on the front surface of the roll before it dries, leveling out any lumps. Wait about an hour for the adhesive to dry. After the drying time, the adhesive will remain slightly sticky. Then apply Matte Floor Finish 58W. It is a two-component, water-dispersed, transparent, matte aliphatic polyurethane finish. Divide the two components into two equal parts, 50% component A and 50% component B. Mix them together. Check the density of the mixture. Apply the finish in two coats on the entire wall with a soft roller, allowing it to dry between coats for at least 1 hour. Wait 1 more hour for the wall to completely dry. Thank you for choosing us for your project.